Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you can easily connect Facebook to your TikTok account. Please remember to watch this video until the end so that you don't make any mistake. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful. Let's get started without wasting much time. Click on your TikTok app. Now go to your profile. Then click edit profile. Now go to your username here. Then just copy it by tapping this icon here. Then go to your Facebook app application. This is my Facebook profile here. Click on your profile picture there and click on this place. Then go to the about section and scroll down. Now click on edit public details. Click on it. Now scroll down until you go to place labeled links. Click on edit. Then social links. Then tap on add social links. Then select platform. The platform is TikTok. Now paste the username there like that. Already I have TikTok connected to my Facebook app, so I cannot add another link. Thank you guys. This is how you add TikTok to your Facebook application. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.